In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching settings and tapping on connections. Then scroll all the way down to choose more connection settings and tap on printing. Now select the default print service or any other service you have. Click on it and last but not least, make sure that this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!